Hey friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Wisetag. Now once you're inside the Wise app, go ahead and click payments on the lower right hand side. Here you will find the option on the payment tools that says your Wisetag. Get your Wisetag and share it to get paid. So simple tap on that. You will see if you already have a Wisetag. If not, it will tell you that your Wisetag is inactive, and you can just simple tap on get your Wisetag. You tap on that and immediately your Wise tag will be generated. You will find the link at the top there that you can copy at any time. You'll also find the QR code, and you'll find your username or that Wise account. So you can easily share the link, have someone scan your QR code, or send them this tag, which is the Andrew L3902 there. So you have many options. You can also share the link, as you can see at the bottom there. You can have someone scan, or you can even download that QR code that you have there and share that with someone. Very easy and very simple, guys.